Has the FDA's decision to allow yogurt to make a limited claim regarding the potential reduction of type 2 diabetes risk left you scratching your head? Well, let's delve into this and decipher the implications. The FDA has given the green light for yogurt manufacturers to make a qualified health claim. This means there is some scientific evidence to back up this claim, but not enough to reach the gold standard of significant scientific agreement. Understanding these levels of evidence helps us gauge the strength of such claims. The evidence in question suggests that regular consumption of yogurt, ideally around 2 cups or 3 servings per week, might reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. But it's important to remember that this evidence isn't considered robust, and the cause and effect relationship between yogurt consumption and diabetes prevention isn't set in stone. So, why the 2 cups or 3 servings per week recommendation? This is based on the FDA's review of relevant studies and aims to offer clear consumption guidelines to consumers. Yogurt is a nutrient powerhouse filled with calcium, protein, B vitamins, minerals, and probiotics like Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. These components could play a part in its potential health benefits. However, this decision hasn't been without its concerns and criticisms. Some experts argue that the evidence backing the claim is too limited to warrant such a recommendation. There are also worries about the implications of promoting yogurt consumption, particularly when such yogurt contains added sugars, which have been linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. It's crucial to see the bigger picture when interpreting health claims like these. While yogurt can be part of a healthy diet, it's not a miracle cure for preventing type 2 diabetes. Other factors like overall dietary patterns, exercise, and lifestyle choices are also key players in diabetes prevention and management. To sum up, the FDA's decision to permit yogurt to make a qualified health claim regarding type 2 diabetes is notable. However, consumers should treat such claims with a pinch of salt and view them in the light of overall dietary and lifestyle factors. Furthermore, more research is needed to better understand the connection between yogurt consumption and diabetes risk reduction.